What do you say? Oh, he's already here. I said he spoke to Ellie in the music shop. Oh.
What?
Okay.
Music off?
We spoke to Ellie and the music is
Why
off.
you started a live?
Why some bangadi happened?
Random shit. I'm like,
Not today.
Whose birthday? Whose birthday?
random live started. I'm like, what is this?
Romax, you know.
Who?
Birthday's on the 8th. Birthday's on the 8th, no? 11th. 12th. 12th. If the music is off, what's
So there's no music there.
Call up Ellie.
What did you say, sir?
There's no music at Kaji's. What are we going to do then?
It's shut. Arey, last time it got canned.
I did that. I did that. So what's the scene? No caddy?
Bambali means this side.
So no caddy? Why are like grilling? I don't know. Call Ellie and ask her. I think friends
You want to say something?
What?
I'll call Jason. Give a
Brain freeze he got over there.
Let me call Jason. Give a phone.
Bro code. Who's phone? He's not picking up my shit.
Ria's phone is there charging. I will he pick your call.
Why won't he? Why won't he? He's a friend of mine, obviously.
After you owe him money, that's why.
No.
Yeah. He wasn't money.
5,000 you owe him, no? Or 10,000?
The birthday you paid?
Oh shit. I'm so sorry.
Plus the other party.
Oh Jesus. What's up, guys? It's a Saturday night. What's everybody doing? Mr. High. I'm not high. I'm just like enjoying my Saturday night, I guess. I watched the episode, by the way. I think I watched it today on Voot, and it's taken me like 30 showers to get rid of the smell of that fish water. For everybody that DM'd me asking me how bad that water was actually smelling, or were we acting? No, we weren't acting. That water was stinking. That was the worst. The worst part was after we got back to the villa, they didn't let us have a shower. Okay, we weren't allowed to have a shower after we got back to the villa. We were made to wait in the same clothes that we got drenched in with that fish water or whatever the fuck it was. We were made to wait in the villa with that fish water, stinking, okay? And the production told us, like, you know what, wait, we need to shoot some more. So we were shooting, stinking. The fight that you saw between Sapna and Bhumika and whoever fought, all of us were still in that clothes, the same clothes that we had when we were like drenched in that fish water. And man, you tell me what you would do if you were like drenched in fish water and pissed off. Anybody would fight. I was like, hi Nikki, I'm not drunk. I'm actually just gonna head out in a while, so I thought I'll go live. Plus, I've been getting like way too many messages saying that we miss your lives. You don't come live anymore. I'm actually not coming live anymore because I don't know why I don't come live anymore. But yeah, let me add Nikki. Let me. She has these. She has conditions. She has to be like a little decked up before she goes live with somebody. So I don't think she'll join, but yeah, what are you guys up to? What's happening what's happening with everybody? It's a Saturday night. I'm in Goa, so there's something or the other happening. But what are you guys doing, and where are you guys watching it from? Oh yeah, got like a big surprise for you guys coming up in maybe like 4-5 days. Very unplanned. Not sure how it's going to go, but the fans and everybody who follows Splitsvilla and Roadies, that's a hint. You guys are gonna get like some good content, hopefully. But apart from that, I think some of the beans have already been spilled. Nikita didn't join, so she's clearly not in the zone. But yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the shit that we show you guys in maybe a week. A week? Yeah, I think a week. I got a bunch of my friends coming down to Goa. I'm not gonna say who. I'm not gonna say when, but soon enough. And it's gonna be pretty interesting. Apart from that, got a flight to catch from DXB. Ad. Okay, Nikki's saying ad. That means when Nikki says ad, that means she's probably gone in front of the mirror, either done her hair or like some of her. I don't know,
What?
she's probably done something. Oh shit, sorry.
Excuse me. Firstly, I was gonna go take a shower. I look really bad.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi. Show me your face. I added you on my live so you could show me your face, not so I could like
Do you like my
look at
nails?
the top.
Guys, look at my
Look at the
nails.
top of your bed. Don't show your nails. That's a spoiler. Why would you show your
I
nails?
already posted. What is wrong with you?
Oh, sorry. I forgot. I don't check your stories. Yeah.
Yeah, you
You
don't.
posted? No, because you posted so many today. That's why.
Oh yeah, I was adding
You
all
were
the
like,
edits of
did you put lip gloss and come on the live? Because it's like
it's a
so
lip
fair.
balm. Oh my god, this is why I don't come
You
live
did,
anymore.
right? You did. What are you going to say that I know you too well?
You do.
What are
Why?
you going to
Why would you say something like that?
Playboy kid, acha. Wait 1 second. How do I invite Kevin?
Who?
Kevin.
My bestie.
Kevin, I mean, he's pretty active in the comments. Yeah, guys. So, I mean, it's a Saturday
Is that
night.
Kevin
Clearly,
or is that like a fake account?
is it a fake account? 1 second.
Hmm.
Mm, I don't know. I lost the comment, man, and I can't even see at this point. Sorry. Anyways, guys, it's a Saturday night. I'm chilling.
Yeah,
Clearly, Nikki is
he's gonna
bored.
get. No,
Clearly,
I'm gonna go take
clearly,
a
Nikki,
shower right now.
clearly, Nikki is bored in her room. She's not doing anything.
No, I
That's
will
why
do
she joined
something
my
in a while,
live.
okay?
Acha, what are you gonna do in a while, guys? That's 101 bullshit talk. Okay, she's not
I'm
doing
going
shit.
out now, wait.
Show me her room. Her room is messed up right now.
I
She has to
can't
clean
show
her
my
room
room.
first.
Someone's in
Her
my
mom
room.
won't let her leave to go anywhere because she has to clean her room.
I'm leaving in a while now.
Where are you going?
Why should I
You're
tell you?
leaving on, you're leaving on the 11th. Before that, you're not leaving to go anywhere.
Where am I going on the 11th?
You know where you're going.
Where? I'm going to chill with Shivam ji. my bestie. You're jealous, no? Because I'm best friends with him and not you.
I don't want to be your best. Nothing.
What?
Anyways, so guys,
We're live right now. All right.
I know I know we're live, dude. You thought it was a video call. I know I'm live. I went live. What do you think? I don't know we're live or what
No,
right
you
now.
didn't. Why is your shirt unbuttoned like that? What are you trying to do? Who are you trying? Oh God.
Sorry, guys.
I don't want to see you shirtless. I have no interest in that. I hope you know that.
Yeah, I know. I don't look good shirtless anyways. I look good with the shirt on. But
Then why have you unbuttoned your shirt?
okay, for everybody sending us, I don't know if Nikki's got DMs. I think she has. But a couple of y'all have probably seen the spoiler for the next.
Oh my God. Can Stop it.
Oh God, my God.
Oh God.
Okay, I
And
have
it's
some.
only it's mostly only me. Sorry for the mess. It's
Hey,
mostly
that
only
is
me
Kevin. Yeah, I
saying
think
shit.
that is Kevin. Kevin is just Kevin Almasifar, right? It's not no underscore in the middle, nothing, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, he's flexing his chest hair, it seems.
He's telling you.
I only have options of hiding the live video from Kevin. Kevin, send a request, no? I'll add you.
I think it's like a fake account who's trying to get added, and then we add some weird guy here who's gonna be like a creep or something
No,
behind Kevin's
dude, that's Kevin. That's Kevin. You know, Ajay is literally in the next room. Like they're in the hall, they're playing some games,
Doing
and he's
what?
commenting. We're playing like having a game night, and then we're gonna head out
Arya,
in a bit.
listen. I can't see any of the comments. Neither can I see the amount of people who are watching our live.
There are close to 4,000 people watching the live.
On mine, it says 1277. And I
Then
can
you
see
should
I can see
go back.
one comment. I can see one comment that says Chutya Nikita. That is all. Like it just stuck there. It is
So
just
do you
stuck
think it's a
there.
sign? Do you think it's a sign? Do you think it's a sign?
Fuck off. Okay, look at the snail. Look.
It's upside down, you idiot.
Is it cute? Guys, do you like my nails?
Yeah.
Please tell me if you like
Yeah.
my nails.
Kevin, it was Kevin. Kevin's unable to join. Nikki is the hottest. Trevon, hui ahare. Okay. Oh, somebody's asking me in Konkani.
Someone's asking
Guys, the next episode is not. There's nothing wrong with the next episode. It's pretty real.
Yeah.
Everything I've said is like true.
Oh my god, I haven't actually seen the next episode's promo yet. Where did you see it? I just saw like the part that you sent me.
I watch it on Instagram only. There's this page called
That
reality
one, yeah,
TV shows,
reality,
something.
yeah, updates.
Yeah, the one I DM'd you, right? They keep.
Yeah, oh, I did
So
not see.
I never watched the trailer on TV, but I know this one page. I don't know, reality TV shows, blah blah blah. If you're watching this, thank you for posting these spoilers on. I mean, the trailer.
Not really a spoiler if they're showing it on TV.
I mean, sorry,
Huh?
I'm saying thank you for posting the trailer online because you are literally the only source that I have to watch the trailer. Other than that, I don't watch the trailer on TV. So
He's just
if it
trying to
wasn't
act
for your,
really cool, guys. Like he's just like he has no time to watch the episode, all that, you know.
no, I'm saying none of us watched the episode on TV. We all watched. I mean, I at least
Are you
watched it
seeing
on
how
news.
I'm trying to flex my thumbnail?
Yeah, but I can't see your thumbnail. I can see that thing under your eye.
What? What's under my eye? Just leave it.
There's like
That's my
a
face.
there's like a depression here. Like
That is my face. How can you say something about my face like God made me that way? Like
guys, I just need a favor from you guys. I just need everybody to write in the comments if you like citrus fruits, and if you do.
listen, fuck you. Change your clubhouse display picture. Guys, so like did someone ring the bell at my place or your place?
You have a different bell, right? Yours like a long thing. I
How
think
do you
that's
know?
yeah. Somebody else has entered the house. We're leaving at 11:45. Fuck, it's 11:40. You have to leave at like maybe another 15-20 minutes.
But who asked you?
People in my live session watching
I
right
can't read
now.
any comments. The only comment I can read is Nikita Chutya hai. And it's
You have chosen. I'm reading one comment. Shana001. You have chosen, not chosen. Chosen. You have chosen Nikki instead of Arushi. You did it so wrong, Trev.
oh my god.
I'm just gonna
I chose
tag
we.
my English. I'm gonna tag my English teacher here just so she can give us a lesson.
Don't be mean, okay?
Sorry.
Say
Anamika, I am
sorry
done.
to her and tell that girl you love her.
Nandini Bagri, what are you done about? Like, I'm so sorry if you're not enjoying my live. I'm really sorry. Hey Nikki, please take me live once. Guys, Nikki goes live every day on Monday at 7 p.m. in the evening.
Sure I do.
So if you do want to be added on the live video, and
Sure I do.
she has a couple of expressions that she sticks to, and it's like
Yeah, and this also. Fuck off. I am so
give
done
us
with you. I'm done with you at
Nikki.
this moment.
Nikki, somebody saying Nikki, give us a room tour.
Not right now. I have like my bras and stuff lying around.
Yo.
Hey, this is a friend. He just came out from prison.
Hi, what's up?
What's up?
I'm live, friend.
Do you have a drink?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You want a drink?
I have a drink.
Alright, cool.
See, he's acting like a bartender.
That's kind of sweet. Like, even.
1 second, one blowjob.
Hey, fuck. um, I'm not
I'm kind
apologizing
of
for that,
sad.
guys.
No one has said anything nice about my nails. I'm sad. My nails.
Because you can't read the comments. It's your phone. It's not people.
Salman is texting me some funny shit.
Okay, guys, if you like Nikki's nails, Nikki, show me your nails. Show me your nails. Guys, if you like Nikki's nails, drop a comment. Drop a fire
And you
smiley.
should get your nails done. Okay, this really cool chick
My
came
nails are
over to
done.
my place today, and her name was Urvashi, and she was so cute. Get your nails done from her right now. Like, call her right now.
Was she part of that song, or was she?
Yeah. I found her from there
Take it
only.
easy, or was she? Nikita, your nails are bomb, bro. I love you, and I love your nails. Love your nails. Fuck. The only thing she sees is her daddy. What the fuck, Kevin? Fucker, if you're commenting so much, come live, no?
What is he commented?
The only thing she sees is her daddy.
Who's that for? Fuck off, yours. Disgusting people.
Kevin, I'll tell you what she said on a phone call today. Coincidence or not, like, I mean, I don't know.
What did
Kevin,
I
if
say?
I
Tell
actually...
me first. You guys lie about me to each other most of the times.
No, what I made you say on the phone call?
What?
While the nail chick was there.
You're crazy, dude. She was like judging me totally.
You're crazy, dude. Let me just...
Guys, I'm kind of confused.
Guys, one sec. Guys, what color do you think Nikki should get her hair done next?
Should I go back to pink or should I like go for like a reddish tone like I had earlier?
No, don't give it away. Let's just see what options they give you. Like,
Who the fuck is this creature who just joined?
What's up?
Hi, Kevin.
Let's go.
Let me see your nails.
Look.
Nice, they're good.
It's a whole lot of clusterfuck happening right there. Where you are? Do you reach Pune or what?
I just got home, bro. I got home a few hours, like
I
2
still can't
hours
see the
ago.
comments, and now it says one person is watching the live. Like one person.
I'm in
Guys,
love with
we are
this
live.
filter.
It's a Saturday night. Kevin
I think I'm gonna
is
get like
chilling.
a face tattoo.
Kevin is
Don't
chilling
ever,
in.
okay?
Kevin is chilling in Andaman, and we
What?
have Nikki who's partying in Spain right now. Guys, we're all having a reunion soon. We can't tell you the date, but stay tuned. We're gonna give you guys some content to remember. Apart from
For
that, I
the
don't want to
rest
give
of
any
your lives.
spoilers.
Guys, so
I
we
don't
are
want to give any
making content. You
spoilers.
guys kind of promised me we're not going to make a lot of content.
See, your content and the content we are thinking of is different.
What is your content, bro?
My content is random shit.
And what is my content?
Your content is curated shit.
Go away. You know what? Fuck off. Okay, and then from there, fuck off again. And then keep fucking off. Till you get there. And then fuck
Nikki
off
looks
again.
like princess and Trevon is my daddy. Acha. My
No, he's
favorite.
not, okay? He is not.
Guys, I was actually asking you guys what color you think Nikki should get her hair colored, but surprise, surprise, my brother Kevin's also getting his hair colored. So please drop your comments on what you think Kevin should get his hair colored. Fuck, your curtains also are pink, man.
Yeah.
Shit, man, the whole world is pink.
Yeah. A lot of things are pink.
Trevon, I want to bite your lips off. What the fuck?
Who the fuck is that? Fuck off.
Nikki, you want to like take a chill pill? I mean, a little bit.
That is like offensive. You can't just tell someone that you want to bite their lips off. Like, you need to ask for his consent, right? Like if he'd be okay with that. So he's not okay
Some
with that. I'm
stupid
just
glitch
letting
just
y'all know.
happened, Kevin is saying. Guys, I mean girls, sorry, girls, so guys, girls actually. I
Can
forgot about this
can
feature.
someone talk about my nails for a second?
Show me your other finger, other hand, no, other finger. Show me your other hand.
I'm holding the phone with that hand and they're the same.
Oh wow, I
It's
forgot you
that's
can't switch. I forgot you can't switch. I'm so sorry.
I can't. I have only one hand.
You've only done one hand?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Show me the other
I'm
hand. Show me
kidding.
the other
Look.
hand, guys.
It's
Oh, it's the ditto. Okay, it's the same thing, right?
so why would it be different? What did you expect? That I have something here and on the other hand I'd have your name written or something.
I would expect my name to be written, but
Why would your name be written like
on your nails.
you think I'm obsessed with you or
I
what?
mean, I'd rather you get my name on your nails where you can get it off in 3 weeks than tattoo it on yourself, right? So,
Fuck off. Okay, I don't want to get
unagi.
either of them. Okay?
Nails you can get, yeah. It's not
Why? No,
permanent, it's
nails I'll
temporary.
get Zayn or Justin written, no?
Nails you can
Why?
get, it's temporary, just like I am in your life, temporary.
Don't say
अभी से
shit.
दोनों शुरू हो गए आए
Who's that?
Dhruv, let me.
I'm done with Dhruv.
I can't not add Dhruv because like he's your first connection in the villa and like that's like iconic. I mean
Yeah,
connections
and
will
I
come
think
and
I'll
go, but
always be
like
connected to him. And
Trev, your
you know
dimples
what?
and cuteness. You ditched Arushi. I didn't ditch Arushi, guys. Arushi is super close to me. We talk almost every 2 days. I don't care what you guys. I don't care what you guys think after watching a show that was shot in Feb. But all of us are good to each other right now. But if you fans want to like hate on us for something we did in Feb, drop your hate in the comment
Oh,
section so
I
we
can
can
see the
ignore it.
comments now.
Drop your hate in the comment section so we
Please
can
don't.
ignore
Please
it like
listen,
we
guys.
usually.
I wanted to
No, no,
say
one sec,
something.
wait. Drop your hate in the comment section so we can ignore it like we usually do.
Yeah, but like, I would ignore it, but at this point.
Please add Kevin or Sam. This
Let
is
me
not the
see who
Kev
all are
show.
watching our live.
This isn't the Kev show. This is the
Um,
Trev show. Nikki looks so cute that I could eat her.
Who said that? You or
Nobody
someone
said.
else? What the hell?
Nobody commented. I said that.
Listen, stop. Wait.
What is this? What? Nikki looking like a dessert. Okay.
Again, no one said it? What? Guys, oh, someone liked my nails. Yay.
Guys, you can't like her nails. You have to love them. If you don't love them,
Okay,
Nikki doesn't love them.
Aditi came live today and spoke about you, Nikki. She told that she spoke to Kat, and I don't want to talk about all of that, guys. I'm so over the show. I
Guys,
think everyone else should just.
this is a Trevon and Nikki live. We don't
Yeah.
talk about shit that doesn't
And
matter
yay,
to us.
Arushi touched like 300K on Instagram, so that is so cute. Yay!
She
Congrats,
does
babe.
300K. Fuck, I have to fly
Yeah,
to Jammu
I
tomorrow.
texted you. But someone just again mentioned it on the live, so I was just like, I will talk about it.
Nikki, you are a goddess, motherfucking queen.
Again, you said it. Stop it.
Nikki has one particular way of saying stop it. She's like, stop it.
Except my laugh is
Bro,
like a little.
where do you stay in Goa? I
He'll just
stay
tell
in
you.
the north. In the
Oh, I
north.
have his address. I'll send it to you.
Guys, Nikki took my address and all she does is send her parcels to my place. Like literally. I have friends who've taken my address and like they sent me like sometimes they send me waffles and shit like at randomly. Not that I care,
Okay, okay. Yeah, I
but
get what you're saying.
Nikki of all people sends her parcels to my place. Like
Only once I've
really,
sent, okay?
like I am. My house is a go down for Nikki. She sends all her parcels to my
Yeah, I
place.
mean, you gotta use your friends if they live in Goa, right? For something at
That
least. Because he
sounds
is
so
good for
wrong.
nothing. He is
That
good for
sounds
nothing.
so wrong. Going to
Sorry.
use your friends. I don't know
Not in that way.
whoever's
Yeah,
listening
not
to
in
this
that
live
way.
that's Nikki's friend right now. You know what she does with friends. She just said gotta use your friends.
No,
So
listen, don't make a big scene out of this. I didn't mean it, okay? I meant to say you have to utilize the fact that you have a friend living in. Someone is saying, where does Salman Zaidi stay?
Salman Zaidi stays in Nikki's heart.
Always.
And I stay bro, you're lucky he sent
Where do
me
you stay?
toilet
Where do you
paper.
stay?
Shivam is here. One sec.
Adam! Ow, my throat.
I honestly don't want to spoil it for people. I can tell them what's gonna happen. I just want to to blast
Someone is
people out
saying
of the blue.
Shivam said you sent him toilet paper.
मतलब
Shivam ji,
मजाक
मैंने
नहीं कर रहा
आपको
ब्रो।
toilet paper कब
Hey,
वैसे
भेजा?
boom, ba!
टॉयलेट पेपर आया, टॉयलेट पेपर।
शिवम जी कब भेजा आपको टॉयलेट पेपर? आप झूठ बोल रहे हो लाइव आके।
चल झूठी।
आप झूठ बोल रहे हो।
One sec. Wait. Guys. If you're watching this live, drop a fucking fire smiley because Shivam's haircut is looking like a fucking bomb right now.
Yeah,
अभी
Shivam,
आई एम कमिंग टू
you
गोवा
look
ब्रो।
like you look
गोवा
amazing. I'm obsessed.
No, but
गोवा ब्रो।
serious talk, guys. It's a Saturday night. I'm chilling. I'm having a good scene at like my friend's place.
कितने बार
I
you
have
say the same
Shivam.
thing? I've heard it like 30 times already. Okay.
Yeah, because like when new people join the live, new people join now. So now Shivam is joined. Now Shivam's fans are joining in.
But who
So,
asked you
like-
what you're doing? You're just telling people.
I'm telling people what I'm doing and telling people what Shivam and Nikki also are doing.
Shivam is my best friend. He knows what I'm doing
Shivam is
24/7.
chilling at home and Nikki is doing absolutely nothing.
बस बेस्ट फ्रेंड बोल दिया, ब्लश चालू। अब मेरे को पूरी रात सपने आएंगे।
शिवम जी मैं blush कर रही हूँ.
Shivam, you want to tell people what's going to happen in the next 1 week?
No, don't disclose. Shivam
Okay,
ji,
wait one second. Bina spoiler deke kuch like say something like without giving a spoiler. Like how would you say?
विदाउट गिविंग
Like
भाई
say you're
इमोजीज बना
presenting
सकता हूँ
like guys, stay tuned or
इसमें
something like that.
अच्छा ऐसे स्टेट
Yeah. Without like giving it away.
शायरी आती है भाई मुझे। कहते हैं कि भले ही अपने जिगरी दोस्त कम है, जितने भी हैं साले सब परमाणु बम है, तो बम फटेगा भाई गोवा में।
अरे शिवम जी.
मैं तो फुल लोड एकदम वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई। It's been like 2 years I have not gone for any vacation, bro.
No, one sec. Guys,
गया था
at this
पिछला।
point, we don't care if you know or don't know. But in 1 week, you guys are gonna be like, boom, bam.
आग लगा देंगे बुलंदी तक, चांद तक जाएगी
Boom,
पार्टी।
bam is all I can say, man. It's gonna be.
लोग फुल मून पार्टी करते हैं, हम लोग चांद पे जाके पार्टी करने वाले।
But what are you doing, Shivam? We are at home only. Saturday night, what's up?
Yes, bro. घर पे भाई मूड बना रहा हूँ बस आजकल 2-3 दिन में बस। तो भाई कैलेंडर उल्टे गिनती चालू हो रखी है मेरी। तुम्हें कहा वो क्या कहते हैं, निकी आ रही है, निकी नहीं आ रही है, निकी आ रही है, निकी नहीं आ रही है।
शिवम जी आपको कुछ बताना है मुझे. सुनो ना.
हाँ जी बोलो।
मैं एक्चुअली नहीं आ रही हूँ. मैं सिर्फ 14th को आऊंगी और 15th को वापस आ जाऊंगी.
मैंने भी रिफंडेबल कराई है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। एक स्टेप एक कदम आगे चलता हूँ मैंने रिफंडेबल कराई है। तुम बता मैं आऊंगा ही नहीं।
Oh shit! One sec. Let me add the master.
Who you adding?
I'm adding Shivam's best friend.
Kevin. I'm Shivam's best friend.
Sorry.
अबे वो उसमें
Right, he's commented also, man. He said what? Dazed and confused. He's come to promote his own shit, fucker.
Again. Enough, Kevin.
No, but I'm really excited. Like, It's been a while, like, you know, and
Days.
honestly,
Hey!
Hi, Kevin's back.
okay,
Boomba!
Kevin,
Let's
I
Boomba,
gave,
bro.
I asked Shivam the same thing, so I'm gonna ask you as well. Tell the fans, without giving them a spoiler, tell them what's gonna happen next week, like in your own words.
In 1 week, everybody,
क्या तोड़ू मैं?
everybody, everybody is gonna be dazed and confused.
Days and confused. Literally.
That's what's gonna
Oh.
happen.
But like, I feel like
It's
I
been
tell
a
you what,
while since a lot of people haven't seen good energy, like, you know, haven't felt that
yeah,
energy.
bro.
So
That
next
I agree
week,
with. That I agree with.
oh my god.
Like, guys, if you're
We're
watching
gonna
this
see a
live,
lot of it.
we need good energy around. And honestly, if it's not
And
content,
I
all
feel
we want
like
to give
every
you, if
single
it's not
person,
content,
whoever's
all
gonna be with us, every single person, whoever's gonna be with us, and whoever we're gonna surround ourselves with,
good
I
energy.
think they're the only people who like emit good energy, and whoever's not there, y'all don't. Okay?
I know what good energy I'll be on.
I know, bro. What myself? मेरा तो भाई genius है.
Boomba.
सोच के कुछ हो रहा है भाई. मेरे को भाई सपने भी आ रहे हैं. भाई मैं सपने देख रहा हूँ. भाई हम लोग ना भाई क्या करते हैं, 20 लीटर की बोतल लेते हैं, उसमें वोडका जिन जूस वूस मिलाते हैं ना. हम क्या करेंगे, पूरा पूल में मिला देंगे भाई. पूरे पूल में स्ट्रॉ डाल के बैठेंगे. 25 स्ट्रॉ लेके बैठे, 15 बंदे.
Oh
20
my.
बंदे 20 स्ट्रॉ लेके बैठे. पूरा पूल वोडका भरा हुआ है.
शिवम जी आप उल्टी तो नहीं करोगे?
क्या कह रहे हो? मैं रिया नहीं करूंगा. क्या क्या?
शिवम जी ऐसी बातें मत करिए. शिवम जी सॉरी बोल दीजिए प्लीज. आप सॉरी बोल दीजिए शिवम जी. Guys, don't laugh.
इस तरह से मैंने जिंदगी को आसान कर लिया, किसी से माफी मांग ली, कर दिया.
किसी को माफ कर दिया. There's some. I remember a few of them. But on a lighter note, I got some fun ideas. Even relating to the show. Just for the fans, like even with you two, like Kevin and Shivam, like you know what went on the show, what happened on the show, right? So I got some. I mean, like you know the equation you all had on the show on TV. So I got some like really fun ideas that may or may not go viral, but like it's worth the shot. Like you know, it's worth the shot.
We'll do it. We'll do everything, bro. But the main thing
Like
is having fun.
Shivam sent me a couple of things that we could do as well.
Yes, bro. I found like मुझे एक तो वो आजकल बहुत वायरल हो रखी है ना.
That's for sure
That's
happening.
actually a
It's
really
for
good
sure
one.
happening.
बहुत मजा आएगा. बहुत मजा आएगा.
But apart from that, am I the only one who's drinking tonight? Like literally all of you are sober.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. I'm sober.
I'm sober.
नहीं मेरे को तो बस फोटोशूट चलाना, तो फेस कट निकालने में लगा बड़ा भाई. यहाँ पे नमक चीनी बंद करके वो आके पीना है. अलग ही सीन चल रहा है.
But no, I had too much, bro, last night and the night
You guys
before.
are in Bangalore, right? You'll have a event there, right?
We had a major scene. It was
I literally saw Nikhil Chinappa come on the live and say like, "Is everybody fine with all the gin last night?" And I'm like, "What the fuck?" Like
Bro,
on the
you know
stage.
how they say good times are usually not recorded?
Yeah.
I-
For everybody watching, if you see us not putting up content, it's because we're having a really good time, and it's only when you have a good time that you don't record it on your camera. So that's the best time. That, you know, if you're recording on a camera, it's probably not that a good night. But if you're not, then you know the night is like pretty late.
Yes.
Remember this.
Excited.
guys.
I'm excited.
One day, everyone's gonna just go off everything, and that day, you know, shit's going down.
Kevin,
Damn.
do you remember what we planned?
What do you? Yes, I remember. It'd be fun.
क्या प्लान किया भाई, हमें भी बता दो.
वो एक्चुअली शिवम जी वो हम दोनों भाई बहन के बीच में ही है.
Surprise.
क्या राखी वाखी मान दो, टिक्का विक्का. अच्छा राखी आ रही है ना, राखी आ रही है.
हम राखी बांधेंगे एक दूसरे को.
Yeah, you should give me what दूसरे को.
Hey,
What I
listen,
do?
what gift will you give me? Tell me first.
A pink mustache.
यूनिकॉर्न.
Chocolate.
I don't want a
Favorite
fucking
Anushka.
chocolate man.
Show the unicorn. Show the unicorn.
Wait, guys. I'll show you. Wait, let me look for it.
अरे जो मैंने दिया था वो तो दिखा दो, मैंने खुद नहीं देखा वो, मैंने खुद नहीं देखा, मुझे तो दिखा दो।
Not any other
मुझे
one.
मिल नहीं रहा है अभी घर में।
और मैंने पिलो दी, लाइट वाला पिलो भी दिखाओ।
मैं पिलो दिखाऊंगी।
वो हाँ वो फाड़ दिया होगा तुम्हारे कुत्ते ने, मेरे को पता है, ऐसी चीजें कुत्तों को दे देती लड़कियां।
Guys, Shivam gave this to me.
इसमें लाइट भी जलती है, लाइट तो जलाओ, स्पेशल इफेक्ट वो है।
जी, एक सेकंड में लाइट जला रही हूँ, रुके।
You know what,
Guys.
Nikki? Get that to
Guys,
Goa.
put this before.
ए गाइस, मुझसे लाइट नहीं जल रही है।
Someone's like,
शिवम
Kevin,
जी
you should
लाइट
gift
खराब हो
her
गई है।
Samarthya.
कोई बात
What?
नहीं।
Read the comment. Someone said, Kevin, you should gift her Samarthya.
Oh, yeah, please.
वो दहेज में मिलेगा।
शिवम जी आप
But
ऐसे
I
शिवम
saw
जी आप
the
बहुत
I saw
अश्लील
the
बातें
trailer.
करते हो।
I saw the
मैं
trailer
अश्लील
of the next
करता हूँ।
episode. It's
शिवम जी
pretty
आप
fun.
अश्लील हो।
Shivam, that thing that you did, they showed the trailer of the next episode, right? Where हम लोग सब
हाँ,
What did he do?
खुदा ने जब मांगने को कहा तो लोगों ने जहां लिख
how
दिया।
they show the
बात
trailer, no? How they show trailers, no? It's like, bro, one
Killer, bro.
trailer, like 30-second trailer, like full, like, you know, like full.
sexy,
So what they have
अच्छा
to
edited है।
show in that, like, you know?
Nice है।
And वो एक dialogues, what is like, you know, like some good for TRP, boom, that they're gonna show. Like Shivam wrote something on his hand, they showed it on trailer.
What? I've not even
Bhumika.
seen this. What is this y'all are talking about? Fuck
You
bro,
watched
my
it,
I
you-
soul.
just saw it after your live. Like, after I saw you and Trevon talk about it, I went on that page that Trevon said, reality updates.
That's Trevon's best friend.
Yeah,
No,
went
no,
on
I
that
said
page.
I don't know who's running that page, but I don't watch MTV on TV, so I don't watch the trailer on TV. But ये जो page है ना Instagram पे, they post this
I don't even
next
think
week.
I have MTV on my
all-
TV. Like, I don't
So
think
I
I have
only
MTV
watch it
on Dish TV.
all this next week ka trailer. I watch it on this one Instagram page.
Guys, yaar, fuck all this shit. Can someone tell me what the fuck do I do with my hair? Like, fucking tell me.
फिश वाटर हेयर स्पा
शिवम जी
Best,
आपके
Nikki,
मुंह में बाल
best.
क्या?
देखिए बेस्ट कह रहा हूँ, सच बता रहा हूँ, बेस्ट है वो।
शिवम जी
फिश वाटर
आपने
हेयर
मुझे
स्पा।
कितनी गंदी गंदी चीजें बोली है, ठीक है?
What
मैंने
if-
देखा है
what if-
एपिसोड। और
what if
शिवम
you
जी
get
मैं
the
रो
same
रही थी,
haircut
ठीक
like-
है? आपने मुझे
No, no, what
मोंजलिका
if-
या क्या क्या नहीं बुलाया है?
Hey, listen, no. Oh, never mind. Don't want to talk about it.
मोंजली कब आ रहेगी?
But
क्या
शिवम
बोलूं?
जी,
आप क्या
but
करूं?
like, see, one they cut out a couple of things that was said, and
Yes,
one thing they cut
that-
out was Shivam's
yes.
insult for me.
yes,
And-
yes, yes.
When he said that to me, I told him like, bro, that's a good one, and like I gave
Yes.
What?
him
What
वो बट वो
was it?
ज्यादा टीवी के हिसाब से ज्यादा हो जाता ना वो।
left hand.
मैंने
left-
कहा था कि मैंने कहा था ट्रेवॉन केविन का लेफ्ट उल्टा हाथ है और सबको पता है उल्टा हाथ किस काम आता है,
हाँ,
तो वो उन्होंने कट कर दिया।
cut out, bro. And I
शिवम जी
swear
आप
they
ऐसी
showed it.
चीजें कहाँ से सोचते हो?
मैं अश्लील हूँ,
आप बहुत अश्लील हो।
मैं गोवा में और अश्लीलता करने वाला हूँ।
But it
Mm.
wasn't that bad, bro. Like,
I'm
that
gonna
wasn't
fucking
that
choke.
extreme. It's not like he
Mon-
said it. Like, it
What
was-
is Manjulika word?
मोंजुली का भाई वो आमी जे तुम्हार छिन छिन छिन,
Bro, that bhoot,
वो थी ना
bro.
चुड़ैल,
A fucking
भूल भुलैया
bhoot.
मूवी थी वो
haven't watched
अक्षय कुमार कौन सी
Fuck
थी?
off, Trevon. What the
Oh.
fuck is up your ass?
डर्टी पिक्चर है विद्या बालन।
That was what
Yo.
Bhool Bhulaiya.
Guys.
विद्या
Hi,
बालन बनती है ना मोंजुली का।
Taking away. Hi, Nikki. Hi, everyone.
What's
I'm
up?
taking
Hi,
you
bro.
away. Sorry. Come.
Guys, I am being forced to drink some more.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत हार्ड।
No one is
Sorry,
forcing
guys.
you.
See
You're
you
drinking
later.
it
तू
because
फ्री
you want to drink.
ट्रेवल तू प्री बूस्ट कर, हम आगे प्री बूस्ट करेंगे, ओ पोस्ट बूस्ट करेंगे।
I'm
ओके
sorry. I'm
Bye,
gonna drag
guys.
my phone away now. I'm dragging.
बाय।
See you guys. See you guys soon.
Bye.